Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to Football News. Wow. It's amazing how Messi and his family went back to Disney World. There was this female fan who was so excited to see him. She tried to greet him, and Messi actually waved back at her. She was so overwhelmed with joy that she even lay down on the street. Messi is really friendly and always takes the time to greet his fans wherever he is. It must have been such a special moment for that fan. So that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications buttons of my channel.